Hey guys, this is Zevin from DNC. Now in this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can delete the comments on your Instagram. So let's go into our step-by-step sharing. Alright, this will be a quick video. Okay, so we are going to share with you on how you can actually delete the comments on Instagrams, right? So you can just go to your IG post. Let's say, I will just open the post that I'm having the comment. Yeah, you can actually delete the comment by you or the comments by the others. All right, so if you can see over right here, there's actually two comments. So one is by me, one is by my friends, right? So what happened is that you can actually just, how do you delete? Very quick. You just need to go to your comment area, right? And swipe to the left. So let's say if I want to delete my own comments, right? I just click and hold. So if you can see, it's like I click and hold, right? Okay, if you can't see from that screen, all right, you just click and hold and then you just drag to the left, right? So you just hold your thumb like this and then you just drag to the left. So once you drag to the left, you'll be able to see the delete icons coming out right there. Okay, you can see the delete icons coming out right there. And the same thing is if you go to the comments by others, right? You'll be able to see the deletes icons together with other options. Okay, so the middle icons over right here, you can actually, if you keep on getting all the spam comments, right, you can actually report the users, block and restrict the users. Yeah, but if this comment is like a real good comment, right, you can actually pin the comments right there. Okay, so if you can see, it's already be pinned, and you can do the unpin as well. So pin comments, it will only happens like if you have multiple comments happen at the same time and you want the comments to be staying on the top. All right, so you can do that as pin comment. And definitely delete, it will be just straight away delete the comments right there. So maybe I will just try it with like other posts right there. Okay, maybe I will just comment over right here. Okay, I'll just comment over right here, and then I will go with like my own comments delete, right? So same things. You just click on move to the left, click hold, drag to the left, and you will see that delete right there. You can just go ahead and click on the delete, and very quickly, if you can see on the top right there. Yep, so if you accidentally deleted the comments, you can actually undo, but you have to do it very quick. Yeah, on top there's that bar coming out, right? And if you hit that, it will be undo. So if you actually miss that bar, right, what happened? If that things disappear, unfortunately your comments will be fully removed. Okay, so once again, so right here, you just drag to the left, and when you click delete, the comment bar come out, right? You need to tap on the comment bar, then your message will be undo. All right, you'll be undo right there. So also at the same time, you can actually reply people's from the comments or your own comments from there. Okay, so there's actually some other function that is actually hidden from your IG comments. Okay, so if you want to delete the IG comment, the delete icon is kind of like hidden. You just need to drag it a little bit to the left, and you should be able to see the delete icon. All right, so that's all in this video. That just like to share with you a small tips on how you can delete the comments on your IG. And definitely, if you like our video, remember to help us like and share. And for those of you, if you yet to subscribe to our DMC YouTube channel, remember to hit on the subscribe button. And if you successfully deleted your IG comments, and do let us know. Yeah, please leave a comment below, and yeah, we shall check on your comments. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to leave your comment below, help us like and share. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, remember to click on the subscribe button and most importantly, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new video. See you in the next video.